Want quick access to your Tesla's most used features? The Tesla app lets you add up to 5 shortcuts to your home screen. This video shows you how to customize your app for ultimate convenience, saving you time and taps. Available on all Tesla models, Model S, 3, X, Y, Cybertruck. First, open your Tesla app and make sure you're on the main vehicle screen. Look for the 3 dots in the top right corner, or try long pressing any of the control tiles. A menu will pop up. Select Edit or Customize Controls. The wording might vary slightly depending on your app version. Now you're in edit mode. You'll see a list of available shortcuts that you can add to your home screen. The available shortcuts include climate for controlling temperature and airflow, media for accessing music and entertainment, charging for monitoring your vehicle's charging status, security for vehicle security settings, and Sentry mode for active security monitoring. Additional shortcuts are front trunk for opening front or rear storage, windows for controlling window positions, lights for exterior and interior lighting, horn for sounding the vehicle horn, flashlights for flashing headlights, valet mode for temporary access, dog mode for pet comfort settings, and camp mode for outdoor power features. The exact options available depend on your specific Tesla model and software version. Select up to 5 shortcuts from the available options to add them to your home screen. The Tesla app enforces this 5 shortcut limit to maintain a clean and easy-to-use interface. Tap on shortcuts to select them. Watch the counter increase as you add up to 5. Once you reach the limit, you cannot add more. You can drag and drop the shortcuts to rearrange them in your preferred order. This lets you prioritize the controls you use most often. Once you've selected and arranged your shortcuts, tap Done or Save to finalize your changes. This action saves your custom layout and prepares it for syncing. Your changes will automatically sync to your Tesla account through Tesla's secure cloud service. This ensures your custom shortcuts are backed up and accessible from anywhere. The synced shortcuts will apply across all devices linked to your Tesla account, including your phone, tablet, and vehicle touchscreen. Keep in mind that shortcuts are vehicle-specific, so if you own multiple Teslas, you'll need to customize the layout separately for each vehicle in the app. Sometimes changes might not sync immediately. Ensure you have an active internet connection for proper syncing across devices. If shortcuts disappear, try restarting the app to refresh the settings. If problems persist, check for app updates in the App Store. Early 2025 reports noted minor glitches, like shortcuts not syncing across devices, but these were patched in version 4.32.1. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Looking ahead, Tesla app customization will become even more intelligent and integrated. AI-driven features will analyze your driving habits and app usage to suggest personalized shortcuts automatically. For instance, if you often adjust climate settings before work, the app might proactively recommend adding a climate shortcut to your home screen. Smart home integration is another exciting development. The app could connect with your garage door opener, allowing remote access through Tesla's ecosystem, or sync with energy management systems for seamless home vehicle coordination. Broader smart home features might include automatic energy optimization, where your Powerwall and vehicle charging coordinate based on your daily patterns. Future updates may include voice commands through Grok AI for editing shortcuts, syncing with wearable devices, and stronger privacy options. Tesla is leading the industry toward more intuitive and personalized EV experiences. Stay tuned for these innovations as Tesla continues to evolve its software ecosystem.